Welcome to my world's best travel destinations YouTube channel. Let's go into the video. Sigiriya Rock Fort is the first tourist attraction in Sri Lanka. Introduction. Hey, guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to explore one of the most fascinating tourist attractions in Sri Lanka, the Sigiriya Rock Fort. This place is considered to be the first tourist attraction in Sri Lanka and has been declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So, let's get started. Sigiriya Rock Fort is located in the central province of Sri Lanka and is known for its ancient ruins and breathtaking views. The history of this place dates back to the 5th century AD when it was used as a royal palace by King Kashyapa. The fortress is situated on top of a massive rock that stands at over 660 feet tall, making it a must-visit destination for adventure seekers and history buffs alike. As you enter the site, you'll notice the intricate water gardens that were used for irrigation purposes. These gardens were created using advanced engineering techniques that have stood the test of time. Walking through these gardens is an excellent way to start your journey as they offer a was originally a massive lion statue that has since crumbled over time. The entrance is now through the lion's mouth, which is still an impressive sight to see. Once you pass through the lion's paw, you'll reach the top of the rock, where you'll be rewarded with and feelings of people who visited the place centuries ago. In conclusion, the Sigiriya Rock Fort is a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to Sri Lanka. The history, engineering marvels, and stunning views make it an unforgettable experience. If you're planning to visit Sri Lanka, make sure to add this place to your itinerary. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more travel-related content.